I'll be yours.
Alright guys, so I got a package. Yo, I got a freaking package. Yo, it is the Fifine K667 mic. Now, y'all know that I have a YouTube channel and I'm sick and tired of using my headset mic for a microphone because I never had a mic. But this time I actually do. Now, sad thing is, it is PC. But you wanna try this out. And oh my, yo, it's here, bro. It's really here, bro. Yo, I know it's a verse, but yo, it's here, bro. It's here. It's here. I'm happy, bro. It's here. I'm gonna unbox this guy. I'm gonna unbox this. Hold up, y'all. I'm gonna have to use a kitchen knife for this, bro. Yo. Alright. Where is it? Alright. There we go. Will it open? Hold up. I'm actually having technical difficulties. Trying to have technical difficulties. Hold up. Hold up. I'm actually having difficulties right now, so please excuse me. I don't know if there's something I gotta cut here. I doubt it, but oh, yep, I was right. There was something I had to cut there. Alright. Is it gonna open now? I don't know. I'm actually ready and I'm hyped. Hold on, I'm doing something wrong. I'm so stupid. So I realized I could have just went like this. Yo. Alright, I don't know what this is, but I don't know if y'all can see it like that, but Fifine technology. Alright, dear sir, madam, thank you for being our valued customer. We hope to impress you with our customer experience. Please reach us at fifinemicrophone.com if you need support. Our team is here to help you troubleshoot, live chat on Facebook Messenger, blah blah blah. Alright. Oh wait, it says 2-year warranty. Alright. These are the instructions. Fifine technology, K667 user's guide. Alright. Anti-wind foam cap, metal tripod stand, user manual, 3.5 millimeter microphone with 5.9 foot cable. Yeah. Alright, so now the thing about this is that for this mic, I'm gonna have to order something else. I'm gonna have to order a splitter because if you guys can see right here, I don't know if you guys can really see that. You guys probably can, but it has a 2-ring audio jack, meaning that it's only for PC. I should have actually read what the mic said clearly on Amazon, but lucky for me, I actually almost have enough to get a splitter. So, okay, yo. Alright, let me see. Quick. Alright, so, oh my goodness. Alright, so as y'all can see, this is I think this is the pop filter to the mic. This is it right here. Alright, and then right over here, this is the tripod for it. This is the tripod, and this is to the side. Alright, and here it is. Hold up, let me move everything. Because this is the main dish. This is the main course right here. This is the main food. The mic. This is it. It's actually, bro, it actually has some weight to it. It's not cheap feeling. Like, you can actually like feel like the metal material and everything. Whoa. Yo, this crap looks fire in person. This mic looks fire in person. But this is the plug right here. The 2-ring audio jack that I was talking about. this is what you will plug into a computer, but I gotta get a splitter so I can plug this into an all compatible plug or whatever. Yeah, but yeah, and yeah, this is the pop filter. I mean, this is the pop filter. The mic. Hold up, I might need to. So this pop filter is kind of smushed though. I'm not gonna lie. People, they usually with this, they I think they turn it like this or so. Can't really put it on. Hold up. Yeah, I'm actually having problems putting this on. So don't worry though, cause I'm gonna put it on. I'm gonna put it on though. Wait, this is the mic right here. Wow. Oh, it actually looks really good in person. Anyway, I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace. I forgot to say, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys liked it, please like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on the post notification bell to know whenever I make another video. And yeah, I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace. Yeah, peace. That's how I end out the video. Oh my goodness.